Okay, so today we're going to be removing this AC compressor. First thing you're going to want to do is get this belt out of the way. So this belt needs to come off, so you just take out your knife, cut it. That way, you got all the room you need. Then you're gonna go and you're gonna loosen 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. So this bolt right here, these lines are in the way. So for now, we're just gonna take the pair of these. We'll just snip that one there. Now we can get on it. I cracked them all. Now that the bolts are removed, and the line is removed, we have one more line. Check these out. Snip it around. And then you have this sensor.